Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check temperature of your HP ELITEBOOK 8046 laptop. So since the main element that is heating your laptop is your CPU, we're gonna have to check the CPU temperature, and to do that, right click your taskbar, select Task Manager, then open Performance tab by clicking right here, and then you have CPU and GPU, which is basically physically it's the same element of your device, but GPU is just an integrated graphics module, and it has the temperature readings on it. So go to the last GPU tab and check the temperature. That's basically the temperature of your CPU, and that's the temperature of your laptop. So that's how you check the current temperature of your device. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.